Well, day 18 of the harvest log, a little bit different today. We are re-drilling some stubble turnips. About 3 weeks ago, took a bit of a calculated, risky gamble, and we spun some stubble turnips and vetches into the standing wheat crop ahead of the combine. On closer inspection, after the combine had been through, there's very little had survived, basically just being annihilated by slugs. Obviously we can't put any slug pellets in prior to cropping. This is the crop, the slug damage that you can see here on this little stubble turnip plant. So we're re-drilling it. We're not putting any vetch in here, just straight turnips, slug pellets, and then some liquid fertiliser just going in the front tank. Slightly disappointed. Obviously the benefits of doing it beforehand are we're spinning it in with a sprayer, so it's a very quick operation, doesn't use much diesel, 2 litres a hectare versus probably 15. Compensated with that, we've just got to put a bit more seed on at the time, because the losses are going to be slightly higher. But then, just been one of those seasons. Ideal population or environment for slugs, wet and warm. Here's the damage there, you can see. Some of these will survive the drilling. I expect you're wondering why I've got a two-pronged fork. I was at a friend's farm who's not into direct drilling. I put my fork in and broke 2 prongs. Which is makes it a lot easier to to get the fork in between the stones here. So this is some of our soil. This is actually it's still actually pretty damp for this time of year, and that's part of the problem. But lovely strong crumbly structure still on the surface. Maybe a bit of a compacted layer just here, but when you get that and you can break it apart like that, that's not too bad at all. So yeah, I'm only joking about that bit. I did it in the garden. So this is where we are. Probably get the Cambridge rolls out and just roll this just to seal these slots up a little bit, and hopefully make it a bit less appealing for our slimy friends. So slight change of tack today.